across the border. Now they face each other here in Samakov. Mirzaliev of Kyrgyzstan is in the blue. Eşmirzayev of Uzbekistan is in the red. Jantörö Mirzaliev is the U20 Asian champion from this year, and when he lifted that title, he beat Eşmirzayev in the final. Won it 9-3, gave out a massive roar across the mat after doing so. 2 months after that victory, he's facing him in a world semi-final. So the Kyrgyz wrestler going for a attempted headlock. And Eşmirzayev with at least...
Honor hitlerinin birini satıp alsan, 1,5 ming so'm cashback berilir. Bölüp төлөөгө алуудагы жеткиликтүү. O Store дүкөндөрүнөн же O Market'ten al.
In theory, knowledge of what he needs to do against Mирзалиев. Seconds in, and we'll have the first parterre. Point goes to Eşmirzayev. Eşmirzayev beat Zhao Yan Liu of China by 4 in the last round. Also beat Attila Josa in the last 16, 7-2. So he's been in some wars. Now looking to, from parterre, gut wrench over to the left-hand side. He loses control of that as he goes. And Mirzaliev shaking Eşmirzayev for his lunch money. Now around the back. Eşmirzayev clamping on to stop any throws from behind. Blood for Eşmirzayev. Has the lead, the man from Uzbekistan. Knowing that the last time he faced Mirzaliev, he lost 9-3. More in the contest this time. Mirzaliev working hard on that elbow to control Eşmirzayev. Strong body positions from both these gentlemen, and they're cancelling each other out at the moment. Eurasian honour at stake with Eşmirzayev and Mirzaliev, as well as a place in the world final. Good forward pressure from Eşmirzayev. Eşmirzayev warned for grabbing the singlet. Any passivity in parterre scenario is likely going to see Mirzaliev take some points. Eşmirzayev to try and cling to the ground. Reverse gut wrench, a rather lift into the air. Now here comes the big moment for Mirzaliev. He's got Eşmirzayev in the air, a big throw to danger position. He lands it from standing to danger. Just enough exposure of the back to get the 4 points. 2 minutes remaining. He was squirming around the place, Eşmirzayev, but Mirzaliev knew exactly how to get him airborne because he's done it before in the U20 Asian Championship. Has to be a 4-point score from Eşmirzayev now. Mirzaliev hasn't given much away. Nay opportunity. And certainly not many mistakes. Confidently marching Eşmirzayev around the playground. Last 30 seconds for Fayozbek Eşmirzayev. The wrestler in the red. Kyrgyzstan's Mирзалиев in the blue. And he is extremely close to the world final. He sucked the life out of Eşmirzayev to such an extent there doesn't seem to be any belief remaining that he can do it, that he can overcome this opponent. It's a repeat of the Asian Championships where Mirzaliev outfought Eşmirzayev. This time it allows him to go through to a world